Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're coming from. My name is Richard N, and today we're going to be looking at how to. Hello, everybody. My name is Richard N, and this is Fast Giddy. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating for you how to create a business website using SendPulse. As you know, SendPulse is a very powerful tool that helps businesses to, do a lot of things like email campaigns, automation, build chatbots for different channels like WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and the rest of them. So, but today we are most interested and we're going to focus solely on business websites. Of course, we know that business websites we know that business websites are going to be very, very important in helping us, reach out to our customers, in getting leads. In fact, this actually serve as a free space for us to be able to interact with our customers and possibly push our businesses and products and services to them. So today we're going to see how to build one using SendPulse. So in order to build a website, you need to be on your SendPulse account. When you're on your SendPulse account, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top tab here. You can see that we have automation, we have email, we have chatbots, we have CRM, we have pop-ups, we have push, we have the short message transfer protocol, and then we have the courses. So you want to focus on websites. And when you're on the website tab, the next thing you want to do is you come to this create website for free here, because SendPulse allow you to create a website for free if you have an account with them. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on websites. And now that you're here, it says new site. Choose a ready-made template and adapt it to your goal or start building your website. So this way you're going to select a template. Now a template is more or less like an outlook of what your business is going to be like, and it actually helps us to tailor our website according to the kind of business that we are into. In other words, if you are uh, having a school and you wish to build a school website, there's a school website template here for you. If you are maybe if you are into real estate and they want to build a real estate website, you can see that we have them here as well. If you are into maybe pets, like cats, dogs, and the rest of them, you can see that we have pet website templates here for you, and so on and so forth. Even if you are into kiddies, maybe like you do kids things, or maybe you are into maybe hospitality, like maybe skincare like cutting or salon, there's actually something here for you. If you are into restaurants, or maybe you are having to cook food for your customers, you can actually see food websites here. So what you need to do is just pick one and then work with it, like modify it to suit your business needs. So let me say I'm going to build for school. I can pick on this template here, and when I pick on it, they can see that it has shown me what the thing will look like. This is just what it's going to look like. So my next is to say, okay, edit. Now when I click on edit now, it's going to allow me to edit this website and possibly publish it. Okay, so here you need to bring in the elements of your business. So probably this is not the name of your school. You can edit it by simply highlighting this whole stuff here. You can call it, let's say fast Giddy International School. Okay, this can be the name of your school. Okay, and then you can still say, okay, you can still call this one whatever you like. Say, let me highlight this all and say, okay, uh the most active online learning platform. Yeah, platform. That can be my little demonstration, or maybe my little introduction about my school and all of that. So if you're not interested or you don't like anything, you can simply highlight and just remove. Okay, you can see I removed that now. And if I don't like this thing at the bottom here, I can simply change it. But to change it, you need to be able to have access to deeper things about it. So now you can see that we also have some image here. You can see change them. I can click on this small thing here to change the image here. So I have this, and all. I can try to drag this over here. You can see that I've changed it here. Now I can decide to bring this one here. You can see that it has changed, and so on and so forth. So when I'm done now, I just need to like come down here again, and maybe I want to put something here. I can say about fast Giddy Academy, like this academy. And then you can see that we have a lot of details here. If you're not interested in anyone or you don't like anyone, you can simply just come here, highlight and what remove. As you remove, you can replace with what you like, or I mean, what you prefer, or what pertains to your business. Okay, so you can see that this is about Fast Giddy Academy, and this is all thing you're going to need to attach about your business. Just click on it, highlight, and then change whatever you want to, change in there. If you don't like this part, you can just simply remove it. Or if you don't like this part, you can simply say delete and it will go away. If you don't like this line, you can simply do a delete. Let me just click on this and you can see that I'm touching these three dots here. Click on delete, it will go away, right? So even if these images here do not pertain to you, if you don't like them, you can simply click on them and do what, and change them. Okay, you can say change image, say select image from file manager. You can say select stock image. Let us do this from file manager and see what it looks like. So this one means that we need to upload our own image here now. So I can click on here and I need to bring my image using this one, and I can simply just find an image here and bring it in. So let me go to my downloads, and I think I can work. Let me bring this image in. Let me take this massage image, I'll bring it in, and I'll click on upload now. I'll click this now, and of course it will be uploaded. So I can close this part now, then I'll select this. You can see that the image has come in here. So this is just how to actually do your stuff on the website using SendPulse. So when you are on the website now, you can just edit everything here that, according to what you want. I don't want advantage. I can say, okay, maybe our strong points, and say our selling points, like this. So you see now that I just made that change now, and so on. So you can just change all these things here to match what you need. If you don't like this image, click on this pen, and you can simply maybe select or maybe modify the image to whatever you like. You can click on this now to change the image, and so on and so forth. You can even change the image dimension by clicking on this, highlight it, and then change to maybe 220, and the image will become smaller, right? So you can change this text here to whatever you like. This one is digital skills and coding. I can change this and say, okay, maybe IT, what? IT skills and what? Automation. You can see that this actually is very, very simple to work with. So if you're looking for a very, very good tool to enable you build sites for your business and all of that, I'm happy to tell you that this SendPulse actually has the ability to allow you to build website for your business and customize it that, to the way that it will suit your business. So I want to go to the filter section. This here is the filter section. So this is going to have to deal with your business. So I want to change this to, you know, let's say Fast Giddy Academy. Okay, and then you can put your, your tagline here, and then here also you can put your popular courses or blah blah blah. Maybe you want to put Google Awards and all of that, so you can actually change all this here to suit what you need. Then information about your business, like here now I want to put in my contacts page. So I can click here now to highlight my contact, so I can need to click here again to add a link to it. Okay, so I want to say, okay, maybe google.com. I need to put the https, so say https. Okay, google.com. Okay, then when I put that now, okay, sorry, I think I made a mistake there. So I can highlight this now and I'll click on this. So this is going to be https google.com. Okay, then the next is to what, say contact us, and I can do what, save now. So if you click on this now, you can see that it now has a link now, right? So this one is going to be membership, so I need to highlight it all, click on this link tool here, and put what I want to put there. Let us assume that it's still the same Google. So I'm going to click on this again, and I'm going to save. Okay, then this is terms of service. So on your business page, if you have terms of service, or even if you have it as a page in here, you need to just link it up there, and so on and so forth. So I just wanted you guys to know that these two allow us to actually do a lot of things here. Then here is the part where you get to put your business details, like your contacts, maybe your address and your phone number and all of that. You can even change it to maybe our offices, or let's just say our office, and say our office. Yes, I need to say our office. Sorry, I want that color to be there, so I can say our what, our offices, our office. address, right? So I can delete the rest ones there. Yeah, you can see that our office address is now here. So whatever you want to do, just click on it, highlight, and then modify. So now let us go to the top part. I want you guys to understand how to link your pages. Okay, now this is your home page here. When you click on this, it gives you a drop down here or a dialog here that can allow you to actually, enter the link to all these navigation stuffs here. So you can see that this one is a home. So here now I need to specify what my home page is. So if my home page is, let's say, google.com, I need to put that there, and then I'm going to click on save. And if you want this thing to actually open to a new page, you can click here, so that when people click on it now, it takes them to another tab on their browser, right? So I'll click on this and say save. Now you can see that we now have the address there. Then if I don't want that home page to be there, I just need to check, or uncheck this box, and then it will go away. You can see it's no longer there. So if I need it back, I can just click on this, and you can see that it is back there. So this is about us. I can see changes to my about page. So I need to come here, click on this, and I'll put in https, uh then I can say google.com/ okay, about us, and I'll do what? I can now save it. So that is a link to what to go and see, or to go and read about us. Then I can put courses here. Just simply click on this biro or the pen and come in here, click on what? https:// google.com/courses. Okay, so this is just how this whole thing here is. So when you're done, you can simply just close this and everything there is okay. Now when you're done with this website, the next thing you want to do is you want to call it what? You want to call it a name, right? You want to put what you want to call it. So let me think, maybe I want to call it something here. I can decide to, like, I can try to set this up. I can try to set it up, and then you see now when I want to edit it now, I need to click on these three dots here, and I'll click on settings, and I'll come here to put a page title. I'll call it fast giddy, fast giddy what? Cool page. Fast giddy what? Fast giddy academy, right? Then I can put it here. I can put here as a link. This is where the address is going to be. So I can put, okay, fast. Oh my, not allow me to do that. Okay, I think I'm not allowed to do this, probably because I'm still using a free account. So let me just say save now. So when I save it, I can see that thing has actually changed to something else. It has changed to something better. So that is just how this is done. So when you're done with the setup and you feel like you're good, you can simply click on publish. But before we say publish, let us say add another page here. I can click here to add a page. Okay, I can just simply call it, let's call it home page, or maybe let's call it contact us page and whatever. Okay, then so we can just click on this now. You can just say, okay, let us call it about us. So you can say about us. Okay, you can see this is now the about us page now, and then when we are done, we can simply do what? We can simply just click on any one of them here, select this, and it will be okay. So now I can just click on this now to say, about us. Let me click on settings, and I'll click on this, change this one to about, about us. Now let me say about us, right? And then I can also, okay, save now. So you can see that we now have two pages here. So the next is just to go and link it up. I can link it up. Okay, I can link that up. And so if you want to link it to the home page, what do? You need to open the page, or simply come here, click on the settings, and this is the link here. You can see that we have a URL here. This is the link. I just need to copy it all. Just say about us, right? So I can just need to copy it up. Let me go back one more time. Come here, just copy everything here. Okay, and then I want to come in here and click on settings. Now I want to open this one up, open it up, and where I have about us here, I just need to paste it here. Click on this and I'll paste it there. Just say about us, right? So at the end of the day, we've actually gotten ourselves a website for our business. So next thing now is to just publish this so that we can actually see it in action. But before we publish, let us click on preview. Now this is our preview of how the site is going to look like. You can see that we have it here. So if I click on this place now, it can take me to what I want to see. If I click on here to show me what is on that other part there, Okay, so you can see that this is our website. You can see our footer that we changed here. Everything is okay. You can see all that. So this is just how it should look like. So I can say, okay, publish. See, click on. You say you are using items that are not available on your current pricing plan. Okay, so this means that I cannot publish maybe because I've used a tool or one of the stuff that is not open for me as a as a free user. So maybe that is the reason why. So if I want to publish again, I need to come here, click on publish and see if it will work. Okay, I think it has worked now. So perhaps I'm not allowed to actually renew or maybe say rename or change the URL of the site. So that's why the thing did not work initially. So you can see that this now is a site. This is site now. You can see that this is a site. It actually is working and it is for a school. So this is just how to actually create a website for your business using SendPulse. So just in case you're wondering, SendPulse is a very powerful tool that can allow you to do a lot of things like automate your business, automate your sales, build a business website, configure chatbot for your business, and carry out email marketing and a lot more. Okay, you can even connect your business website through the domain and use it to to manage your site very well. So this is just how this is done. I'm going to still make more videos talking about email campaign, talking about connecting your chatbot and all of that. So I will I will just plead with you to subscribe to the channel Fast Video Tutorials and help us share the video to reach others. Also help us to like the video and recommend our channel to your friends and well wishers. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.